The power of play. Hello! If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Let's go!
Hello, it's nearly Christmas and today we're going to make some special chocolatey Christmas themed treats you can try and make at home too. It is a no-cook recipe and we'll be using our Christmas themed Pop-It fidget toys. First of all, you'll need lots of chocolate. You'll need sweets or colourful chocolate and also some mini marshmallows. And that's it for our ingredients. You will always need the chocolate, but you can choose whatever other filling you would like. So you could use raisins, fruit or sweets. So we have a Christmas tree fidget popper and a snowman fidget popper. So we need to make sure all the buttons are popped facing downwards. Now we've popped all the poppers, we need to put the decorations and the fillings inside. But before you do this, make sure you've washed your hands and you've also washed these fidget popper toys. So firstly I'm going to do the Christmas tree fidget popper first. I am going to fill it up with these candy covered chocolates and I'm going to match the first one at the top with the yellow star, and I think I'll match the bottom or the trunk of the Christmas tree with a brown sweet. Then I think I'm going to fill the rest of the Christmas tree with just a mixture of the colours to represent the baubles. So I'm just going to fill all the rest up until each hole is filled. And we finished that one, so we're going to do the next with the snowman. So with the snowman, I'm going to create a pattern on his scarf out of red and blue candy covered chocolates. I'm also going to use the brown ones on his gloves. Or they could represent his stick arms. And then for Mr. Snowman's hat as well, I am going to do all blue, I think, to match his scarf. And that's enough of the candy covered chocolates for now, and I'm going to do the rest of the snowman's body with the mini marshmallows. So I have pink and white mini marshmallows, but I think I'm just going to use the white marshmallows in his body to represent the snow. So I'm going to fill the last up with these little marshmallows. So there is our filled cases, or filled poppet fidget toy cases. And now we're going to need to melt the chocolate so we can pour it in the moulds. So make sure an adult does the next bit, as you will need to microwave the chocolate or heat the chocolate up on a hob so the chocolate melts. And there we have our melted chocolate. Make sure it has no lumpy bits in. So next we're going to go ahead and pour the chocolate into the Christmas tree mould. Now be careful as this gets very messy. I'm trying to be as neat as I can. And just pour a little bit in at a time, and then you can use a spatula or a knife to gently push the chocolate mixture around and into all the crevices and cracks. This is to ensure that your treat gives off the shape of the mould and also clings on to whatever filling you're using inside. Then just carry on doing this until the entire fidget toy is completely covered in chocolate. Next up, we are going to pour chocolate into the snowman mould. Now this is going to be a little trickier as the marshmallows are a little bit bigger than I expected. But I'm just going to repeat the process again and just continue to cover until it is completely covered in chocolate. Once you have finished completely covering your moulds in chocolate, then you can pop them into the fridge. It will take at least 3 to 4 hours for your chocolate moulds to set. However, you can just easily keep checking on them. So after some time has passed, your moulds should look like this. Carefully peel the chocolate out of the moulds as you don't want to crack the chocolate. And there's our finished chocolate Christmas treats. We've created a very colourful Christmas tree and a very soft squishy snowman. We hope you've had fun creating and baking with us in the kitchen today and getting ready for Christmas with us. We hope to see you again next time. Bye bye! Hello, if you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Bye bye!